happy peoples there. Well, y'all, I know it's been a while since I put a video up, but y'all, during this Thanksgiving holiday, I'm going to tell you, Mrs. D, just being me, got lazy. I just got lazy. So I'm back up here now with another video. I'm about to push myself a little bit more because, you know, you you close and you relax a little bit, looking at movie with the family late at night. You don't want to do nothing else. So I decided to just go ahead and do this video. Well, this video, y'all, is, you remember I told y'all I wasn't going to put down nails hot in my mouth? Well, this is just a try. But this is what I am trying today. It's called hot, spicy, FireWork chili chicken noodles. Okay, well, I did my noodles. And I'm ready to put my other little ingredients in. I got me some butter because, you know, I'm thinking like it's oodle noodle. So I'm going to put a little butter in it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit to get it all in there. I don't know how this is going to work, but you know what? I did get a bottle of water to go with this. So I'm going to put all my ingredients in there. I don't know what this is. I think this is my, let's see what this is. Uh-oh, this looks like the hot stuff. This looks like the hot stuff. How was y'all Thanksgiving? I had a wonderful one. I cooked chicken. Wait, my husband fried some good old chicken. That man can fry some chicken, y'all. Bet that made your finger licking good. It would be better than Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, so y'all, I'm going to stir all this in here. Ooh. I'm going to stir all this in here. Stir it up in here. Got some more ingredients and put in here, y'all. Let me get all my ingredients here. Oh, it said fire sauce. This said fire sauce. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it said fire sauce. I don't know if I want the fire sauce in it, but I'm going to try it, y'all. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's my fire sauce in here. I guess these some little herbs to make it, I guess, to look good. I don't know. Look good or what. It ain't good. Miss D ain't gonna eat it all. But I'm gonna sure gonna give it a try. Y'all know me. I'm gonna give it a try. Ooh, y'all, look up there, y'all. Look. They said hot noodles. Now, I got this from Walmart. Now, I don't guess this is the hottest noodles in the world, but I'm going to give it a try. All right, let me see my green. Oh, I got some green. Father God, in the name of Jesus, thank you for the food about to receive, for the nurse of my body. Remember the one that less fortunate than I am, don't have food on their table. I pray to God you will bless them, let it overflow. Look on every one of our subscribers that looking at this video, that support me, God. I pray that God you send a special blessing their way, give them life, health, and strength. And get them the strength and stay healed and safe from this virus. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Here we go, y'all. I don't know, I might need to say another one. Let's see. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Let's try some more. So far so good. No, not that bad. April, No, that bad, y'all. Not all that bad. Not all that bad. Let's try some more. I killed them. I feel some kind of tingling. Not like that bear. That bear was hot time to put in the mouth. This is good, y'all. It's not all that hot. They say hot noodle, but it's not all that hot. I kind of taste it like on my tongue or something. When someone like when I put some, when I put some in my mouth. Y'all, that must take Christmas time already. And I'm so ready. Here we go. I'm so ready for Christmas. I love Christmas, y'all. I love the light. I love light. Oh, I love lights. I don't know why I love light so much. I love light. This one is my best one. Because it's all about love, giving love away. So, and I love giving out gifts and stuff. So, y'all know I probably won't eat all this. I know I probably won't eat it all, but I'm going to try eating most of it. I can. I remember. It's hot now. Do y'all remember the movie? I don't know what a dog was. I think it was two dogs. I think they were eating it. They were eating spaghetti and sucking it up to each other. I think it was a cute commercial. Well, I did eat most of it, y'all. Did eat most of it. I wasn't all that bad. Remember, this was the hot and spicy FireWork. This is what I ate. And yeah, I just want to say, y'all, thank you so much for coming out here and looking at this video with me. Stay tuned. I will be up here putting in some more videos as soon as I can. Excuse me. As soon as I can. Oh, hold on for a minute. Now I want to get hot. Yeah. So I'm coming back here and bringing some more videos here for y'all. I got something in store for y'all. Y'all got to see some of the stuff I got now. What I'm about to do. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to live, laugh, and just be happy.